Hi! In front of me is iPad Air 5th generation Wi-Fi, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Now scroll down and select Privacy. Over here you can pick one of your apps or choose location services, for example, and select one of those, like Camera. Now over here select one of those options for camera's location. Next, ask next time or when I share, or while using the app. I will go with while using the app, so when I go back, as you can see, camera just gained access to my device location if I'm using it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!